Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a technique that will make drawing roses easy and fun. So whatever paper you're using, whatever pencil you're using is fine. And if you're going to end up painting it, then you'll want to draw this lightly. Alright, so I've drawn my circle and I put a dot at the bottom of the circle so that I'll know where all of my petals are going to and coming from. So every petal that I draw, now this middle part, I'm just kind of scribbling this in, but all the petals that I draw are going to come from that dot and back to that dot. And when I'm going over other petals, I'm not drawing it because I don't want to do all that erasing. But I'm showing you with my pencil where the lines are going. So they always come from the dot and they always go back to the dot, because that dot is where all the petals connect. So when you're drawing your petals, you can draw different shaped petals and everything, but it's not going to make any sense if they don't all look like they're going back to that dot or coming from that dot. So again, you can make different shaped petals, you can make different size petals. I'm kind of erasing as I go here. Now this one right here is a petal that is obviously connected there, but all you're seeing is this edge of it. So you're not seeing where it connects to that dot, but it does. You're just seeing the edge of it. So again, from the dot and back to the dot. And that one kind of like twists around, so you can again make different shapes of petals and go in different directions, but as long as they all make sense, meaning they're all connected at the same place, then you can put as many or as few as you want in different sizes and different shapes. So these petals here are coming toward you, but they're still going back to that dot. So now I'm just going to darken it up just for your benefit. If you're painting this, again, you want to keep it light, very light, so that you don't have all these hard lines to cover with the paint. All right, now there's that dot again, because that is also where my stem connects. So I want to make sure that the stem makes sense too. All right, now before I start on my rosebud, I'm going to put in some leaves. And these are very simple leaves. They're just kind of almond shaped and jagged on the edges. right, now for the rosebud, I'm going to start with the bottom part that kind of encapsulates the rose. So it's little leaves that come up. And then here's the top of my rosebud. And right here, you just want to make it look like you can kind of see down into it, kind of indication of some petals there. And then here's the leaves that hold it all together. So now I want to erase what's behind the leaves. And I'm just going to quickly draw this back in, darken it up for your benefit. And then the stem. Right, now I darkened all that up, and now I want some thorns on my stems. Just little spiky thorns. You don't want to make them like evenly spaced. Just make them kind of here and there. And that's it, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this and learned something, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless you.